What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna upgrade my MPC2000XL system from the 1.14, I believe, to the 1.2. Reason being, I want to change out the zip drive for a compact flash drive, so it's just a lot easier workflow and yada yada yada, all that good stuff. So before we get started, let's put some music on out here. All right. So I have two discs here because I ordered this one last week, but it didn't work. It wasn't formatted correctly. So let's see if the one that just came in today is, you know, works properly. It was formatted correctly and everything. So I guess just to start, restart my MPC because I had some stuff loaded on it. Loading up, wait for it to load. All right, there we go. And now I'm gonna throw in the floppy, or not the floppy, but the zip up in the drive, and let's see what happens. I'm not sure if it's supposed to pop up on its own or if I'm supposed to go into the load folder. Let's see. Let me go into load. There we go. We got the bin file. That's right. So on this old floppy, or not the old floppy, but the one I ordered last week, that bin file wasn't there. There was nothing there. So we have it. Let's do it. Yes. So this is gonna say, it's gonna restart the system or wipe the system or something like that. All memory will be lost. Sorry for the flash. There you go. So in this screen, you want to just click F5, which is do it. Boom, and let it do its thing. Flash memory block 2 erase. Flash memory right. There we go. It's doing its thing now. And sorry for the loop. I hope the loop is nice enough. Here's my setup right here. I'm not gonna show too much more in my room because it's a mess. Hold up. Boom, boom. Already know my beanie babies up there. All right. Anyways, getting distracted here. My bad. So coming back over to the MPC while it did its thing. Writing to flash memory is completed. Pressing any keyboard, restart this main screen. Boom. There we go. Detecting memory. There it is. We got the new system. All right, now to double check, just to make sure it's all good. I showed this in one of my last videos on the MPC2000, but to check what your system is, what it's, what system you're running, mine should be the 1.2 version now from the 1.14. So you click Shift, Other, which is 8, and it'll bring you into this screen. Then you just click Version, which is F3. There we go. Operating system 1.2, July 15th, 2004. So that's when they put out the 1.2 update. And the update before what my system was just running on was a 1.14, which was, 2001 or something. But yeah, there we go. System's updated. We're all good. I forget off the top of my head the homie who I got this from, but I'll put in the description where I got this. Obviously, no, it's not any affiliation link or something like that. Just shout out the homie who I bought this from off of eBay, I believe. So link will be in the description where I got this. And yeah, check out the music, check out the channel, check out the page, and whatever else you want to do. You know what I mean? It's all good, it's all love, unless it isn't. Peace.